If you're working with a video, then it's very easy to add in background music by using the music option right over here. So let me just click on it, and over here there's music that you can search and you can bring it to your canvas right over here. So to preview a music that I want to bring in here, I can simply go over here and press on the play button. And as I play it around, you can see that the music is being played. And once I want to bring it in, I'm simply going to click on this and it'll be imported right over here, as you can see. So it has been imported right over here, and by default the music will now play for 5 seconds. If I were to click on preview now, you'll be able to hear the music as the canvas plays out. So the music is there. So now I'm just going to add in some graphics to make it interesting. So I'm going to go to elements right over here where I have some stickers right over here. So I'm just going to bring these out over here, and they will adjust the timing right over here, as you can see. So I'm going to add in a new page right over here as well. And I'm going to add in this one right over here, add in a new page. And let's say I'm going to add in something like this right over here, just like this. I'm going to add in some background colors as well. So let's say I'm going to use this background color over here, and then this background color. So as I play this around, you will be able to hear the music as well. So you can see that the music is played along with the video, as you can hear. So now what I'm going to do is choose a different part of the music over here. While I like the music, I don't want the music to start from the beginning. So what I'm going to do is, so I'm simply going to pause the music right here, and you can see that this area, the colored area, is where the music is coming from. So I can simply click on this, click and hold it, and you can see that it zooms in, and I'm able to drag this onto a different part just like this. So I'm going to drag it. Let's say, for example, I want it to start from around 1 minute right over here, just like this. And now the music will start playing from that area, as you can hear. So now if I were to go over here and press the play button, the music will start playing from that area. And that is how you can add and work around with music inside of Canva.